This is one way to start off the week. I can't get my bike tire pumped up, so Jordan's got to take me into work. And I can't get it pumped up because the valve stem cap won't come off. Look at how like thrashed up it is from me playing with it. I like was taking pliers to it, scissors, anything I could trying to get that thing open, and I couldn't. So I can't pump up my tire, so Jordan's got to take me to work. We now return to our regularly scheduled program. Yeah. It's your little piggy. Dad. Bye, baby. Let's see you.
Bye. Love you. Sorry about your bike.
Me too.
Thanks. Say good morning, guys. We're having breakfast. Kezi's having Rice Krispies, and I'm having cream of wheat. Here's the kicker. I was making my cream of wheat while I was making her Rice Krispies, and I was bringing my milk to a boil. That's what happened. My milk boiled over, got everywhere. I was so mad. I was like, Monday, curse you. What is that? You put your head in it? Thanks, Dad.
I don't think I'm gonna do that.
Where's Kezi? There she is. Arr! Arr!
What was going on there, huh, Bruin? You don't care. You were getting attention. Yeah, today I'm wearing my pizza socks. Don't worry, I'm gonna do my hair.
loves eating paper. She loves it. You did get paper. Let's get out of your mouth. Come on, open up. Here, open up, you crazy. Kezi, open your mouth. Ow, don't bite mommy. Got it. Teeny little piece. Can you see it? Yeah. She gets paper in her mouth constantly. Because I let her, she loves to chew on it, so when stuff like comes, I let her chew on it. I probably shouldn't, but whatever.